Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be replacing a battery on iPhone 6. Two screws here on the bottom. Okay, that's one screw here. I'm going to take the other screw off. Okay, that's the second screw out of the way. Okay, so I'm just going to use this tool to remove the screen. So I'm just going to disconnect the connectors now. One through, and then there's the third one here. Okay, and then there's the fourth one. Okay, that's the screen out of the way. Okay guys, now we're gonna take the battery off. In order to take the battery off, I'm just gonna take this self-adhesive tape off on this edge, this side, just like this. Okay, so you just take it off and then you Right guys, in normal circumstances all you do is just pull these two self-adhesive tapes from here. There should be two, one on each side, one here and one there. And what you do is just keep pulling the white self-adhesive tape just like that in this motion, and then the whole battery just comes apart. But in our case, because the phone is an old phone, and the tape underneath that's just got deteriorated, so I mean it's very hard to do it in a normal way, so that's why I'm doing it the way I'm doing at the moment. Just have to be patient. Okay, there you go. That's not the proper way to take the battery out, but we didn't have a choice. Okay. that's the self-adhesive tape. That should go here, just like this. Okay, that's the battery in place now. So what I'm gonna do now is gonna put the plate back into its place to secure the battery connector. Okay, that's battery nicely secured. Right guys, as you can see that I've replaced the battery on this phone, and it's perfectly working at the moment. Another cheap fix. Thank you very much for watching the video.